Wrap the cover around the right end. 1 dot. Is this cover too short? Let's check out. Flatten and stretch the cover along the direction of the steering wheel. Fix the spoke position with your one hand. Pull the fabric with the other hand. Align the cover with the gap at 6 o'clock position. Successfully put the cover on the steering wheel. 2. Tucking the fabric into gaps. Fold the fabric. Tuck the fabric into the gap. 3. Start sewing. Start sewing from the 6 o'clock position. Sew 1 to 3 stitches. Then tuck the fabric into the gap. After installation,